With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is, the letters of the word probability are written down at random in a row. Let E1 denotes the event that two I's are together and E2 denotes the event that B's are together. Then P of E1 will be what? Right? So we have given four options here. So we will write down probability P R O B A B I L I T Y, right? So we can see that there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 numbers, alphabets are there. So we can say that number of ways of arranging all the letters of the word probability is 11 factorial upon, since there are two letters that are repeating two times, B is repeating two times, also I is repeating two times. So we will write here 2 factorial for B and 2 factorial for I, because they are repeating two times, right? So this is what are number of ways of arranging the letters. Now we have given that we have to find out the probability of E1, right? And E1 is what? E1 denotes that two I's are together and E2 denotes that two B's are together. So for P of E1, when two I's are together occurring, so we will fix the place of 2I, right, like this. So P R O B A B I, we are fixing the place of I, and we will left with LTY, right? Now let's see total number of alphabets now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, they cannot arrange because they are fixed now. So 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 factorial upon, we can see that B is repeating two times, so we will write here 2 factorial. So we can say that number of ways of arranging word when two I's are together is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial, right? Now we have to find out the probability of even, that means two I's are together. So we will write here number of favorable outcomes, probability of favorable outcomes upon total number of ways in which the letter can be arranged. So this is 11 factorial upon 2 and 2. So 11 factorial upon 2 and 2. We know that formula is favorable upon total outcomes, right? Favorable outcomes and total outcomes. So we will have 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We know that n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So we will write down 10 factorial. Divide 11 factorial upon 2 factorial. So reciprocaling it will give us 2 factorial upon 11 factorial. We can write 11 using this identity as 10 factorial into 2 factorial upon 11 into 10 factorial, because 11 minus 1 is 10. So this will be cancelled out. 2 factorial upon 11. That means 2 into 1 is 2 upon 11. So 2 upon 11 is the required probability. 2 upon 11. That means this option, right? This is wrong. This should be 2 upon 11. Also, here is an option that P of E1 is equals to P of E2, right? So we can say that if we are willing to find out the probability of E2 when two B's are occurring together, B's occurring together. So the same case will happen here, right? This time we will fix the position of B and B, right? So again we can arrange the whole number, whole alphabets into this way, 10 factorial upon 2 factorial, right? So we will write here that P of E1 will be equals to P of E2 will be equals to P of E1, which is equals to 2 upon 11. Now we know that the formula of P A intersection B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus, so this is union B, P of A intersection B, right? So now we will find out the probability when E1 and E2 both occur at the same time, right? So now P R O B A B L I T Y, now we are fixing the position of BB and I, right? So now total number of alphabets are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and no one is repeating now because they are already fixed. So 9 factorial, right? And the total number of outcome, these are the favorable, right? Now we are finding out when A and B both occurred. this is E1 and this is E2. They are occurring at the same time. So we can say that this is P of E1 intersection E2. 9 factorial favorable upon total number of outcomes are 11 factorial upon 2 factorial 2 factorial. This will become 9 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial upon 11 factorial. We can write 11 as 9 factorial into 2 into 2 is 4. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 upon 11 into 10 into 9 factorials. Right? 2 5s are 10 and 2 upon 55. This is the intersection of E1 and E2 events. Right? When both of them are occurring. Right? So we can say that second option is also true. That is B and A are true. Now we will check for the third option, that is union. Now for the union we have this formula right here. This is the formula, right? So P of A union B is P of A union B. That means either event A will occur or event B will occur. So we will write down P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Right? Here our A is E1 and B is E2. So P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. Right? Now we put all the values. P of E1 is equals to P of E2. Right? So we will write their values 2 upon 11, 2 upon 11 minus P of E1 intersection E2 is 2 upon 55. Right, so this will become 4 upon 11 minus 2 upon 55. Now we will make the denominator same. So we can say into 5 will give us 20 upon 55 minus 2 upon 55. Since we have the same denominators, we can directly subtract the numerators. So union of events 1 and event 2. That means either of them can occur. So 18 upon 45. That means option C is also correct. Now we will check for the last option, which is P of E1 by E2. Right? So we have a formula that P of E1 by E2 would be P of E1 intersection E2 upon P of E2. That says E2 is already occurred when E1 is occurring. This is the conditional probability. Right? This is the conditional probability that says probability of E1 when E2 event has already occurred. So E1 intersection E2 is 2 upon 55. So 2 upon 55 divided by P of E2. P of E2 is 2 by 11. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We are left with 11 upon 55. That means 1 upon 5. So P of E1 by E2 is 1 upon 5. So yes, this is also true. So we can say all options are correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.